Hello everyone, this is Mama Teresa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video guys, we are going to Bukidnon for Manoy 30's birthday party. But before that, we are going to stop by Communal Ranch here in Impasug-ong Bukidnon. It is one of the beautiful tourist destinations in Bukidnon. So right now, andito na tayo sa Impasug-ong town proper. Pagdating mo sa highway, makikita mo yung tourist area ng Impasug-ong Bukidnon kung saan makakakita ka ng mga iba't ibang statua. So you turn to the left side and that's the way to the town proper of Impasug-ong. But before going to the communal ranch, pupunta muna tayo sa Lover's Lane. So dito sa Lover's Lane, free yung entrance dito and makakakita ka ng napakagandang mga tanawin ng bukirin ng Bukidnon. And maganda dito, you bring your food kasi merong mga tables na pwede tayong mag-picnic na libre din para sa ating pagkain. Madadaanan mo muna yung Lover's Lane bago mo marating ang communal ranch. So this is Communal Ranch. This is located in Barangay Kapitan Bayong, Impasug-ong Bukidnon. This is few kilometers from the highway and hindi pa sementado yung daan pero kinaya naman ng aming sinakyang Innova. Yung entrance fee naman dito is 70 pesos per person, kasama na dyan yung environmental fee. And if you prefer to ride a habal-habal, that's 200 pesos round trip per person and isa lang ang pwedeng sasakay ng habal-habal. Pero on our case na pinasok namin yung sasakyan namin, meron kang babayaran na parking fee which is 200 pesos for the car, and kung motorcycle naman yung sasakyan ninyo, that's 50 pesos as parking fee.
Di, anak ko. Yeah. Dito lang, dito lang.
At dahil wala kaming drone guys, so ayan, human drone yung gamit namin.
Picture?
Ay na, paglihok chat.
Drone ba yan? Kalipo mo na kay ko. Takto na.
May dalawang houses dito na yung isa is canteen and then yung isa is pwede mong rentahan for a day tour or exclusive use for the day, especially if you are going to have a photo shoot like prenup or pre-debut shoot. What is really beautiful here in Communal Ranch is, sabi nila, it feels New Zealand daw kasi because of the presence of mga baka and maganda yung tanawin, napapalibutan ka ng mga mountain ranges ng Bukidnon. Dito rin sa communal ranch na ito, nag-shooting si Angel Locsin and Piolo Pascual sa movie nila na pinamagatang Love Me Again. Hi guys! Hi vlog! Oh, tata, let's go. Oh, tara. Oh, first time? First time ka? Oh my God, first time? Mag-kiss ra ba sa kabayo? Basta first time. Yo, kita dua yo, kainit yo. Yo, kita dua yo. Lukog video. Lukog po isa tayo. Hi guys! So we are here at the Communal Ranch. Ugma po, dito sa swimming pool. Karon di ka gusto? Agad, heart you siya, oh. Picture ko, Bi. Sa kabayo.
Gusto ko na sa kabayo. Kani, ang naghuwat sa amo.
You can also enjoy horseback riding here with a fee of 250 pesos per hour.
Ay na lang utang. Ugma na bayaran. Kaya walay kwarta.
So now, after Communal Ranch, we finally arrived here in Malaybalay City. Right now, we are here at the Kaamulan grounds of Malaybalay while we are still waiting for other siblings kasi hindi kami nagkasabay ng umalis ng Cagayan de Oro. So dito kami nag-lunch sa park ng Kaamulan.
So, ano ba dito? Pisa ka dito. Mas bata. Diri oh.
Hakuna Matata. Eh, nag-meeting ang mga brothers and sisters. Nawan. Nawan. Wow. Not relate.
No pictures.
I'm not picturing, I'm videoing you.
No videos.
Okay, wala. Yuan. Yuan, saan eh? Wala.
So that would be all for this video. I hope you like. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching. Bye!